and you know what that means? New year, new do, hair, do that is. Pull, peel and reveal to see our new stars and a brand new surprise. The new changes are coming. Have some cold water ready. See what's inside. Hope you have a Hairdorables year. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's just get into it. That's fine. Oh. Oh my gosh. These are extensions. I've never had these. Ooh, I love the colour. Oh my gosh, guys, it's a wig. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try it on, man. Like, ooh. You like my hair? Do you think just happened? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Let's go on to box number 2. Oh, we got a mini one in here. Oh my gosh! Whoa! So we've got some hair spray. Yeah, this is my mum. And then we've got a hairbrush. We've got loads of hair ties and bobby pins. Wow, so exciting! Let's get on to box 3. Kitty girl in my world. I love kitties. I feel reunited. I'm gonna have to amazing. Oh my gosh, I love kitties! Woo! So much confetti and fun. So guys, I feel like I'm turning into a Hairdorables. I wonder who I could be. Who has blonde and pink hair and fluffy hair? Cat! I could dress up as Cat. Hi guys, I'm Cat. I'm a dog walker, I'm a pet trainer and all-around animal lover at your service. In my free time, I care and train for my neighbour's pets. I enjoy volunteering at my local animal shelter at the weekend. My first love is my sweet corgi, Chili. When I'm not busy with my pet care business or volunteering, you can find me and Ginny snuggling up on the couch together or practicing our tricks at the park. Now guys, what do you think of my hair? It's natural. More surprise in hair? Oh wow. Wow. Oh look. Something here I think we might pull. Let's do this. Woo! Oh my gosh! This looks so cool! Oh my gosh, look at the new ones! They look so cool! Oh my gosh guys, there's a box inside a box. So guys, let's see what's inside the box. Whoa! Whoa, this is so cool! The Hairdorable Pets! Oh my gosh, we got 1, we got 2. Oh my gosh, that's amazing! We got the new series dolls, the colour reveals! Yay! It looks so cute! Oh my gosh guys, this looks like a disco! It looks so cool! Oh my gosh, what's here? Pull last. Yeah, I'll pull it last. Let's get into it! So guys, here's the new box. Doesn't it look amazing? Colour reveal. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I wonder what that means. Wow, and there's 11 spices inside across series 2. And there's 26 dolls to collect. I'm so excited. Let's open it! I can't wait to get inside. I can't wait to get inside. I wonder who I'm gonna get. So let's get into that first one. Oh, I'm so excited! Let's go. Whoa, nice new background. It looks like the streets of New York. How cool. Okay, let's open some of the accessories. Open number 1. let's open this. Peace, love and hair. That's all you need. Ooh, we got a hairbrush and some really cute little stickers. Peace, love and hair, baby. Way, we are wonderful. A sticker and a really cool super duper boot. They got some really cute little kitties on him. Ooh, it might be cat. I don't know. Oh, it's a really cute little photo. Buns the world. Buns rule the world. Ooh, this is a little bag and it has a little kitty on it. Oh my gosh, this picture is amazing. U-turns ahead. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, it's so cute. Have I put? I don't know. I'm so excited. Oh, yay. Oh, we got me. We have just got me. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Wow guys, look who it is! It's me! Whoa, that's so cool! Favourite hairstyle, pigtail, birthday, May the 2nd, and pet name, paper! Oh, look what I found out in the back, guys. We got a little stand. This is music series. So guys, here she is all dressed and ready to hit the stage. So guys, before we go on to the next one, let's see how this amazing colour change happens. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Whoa, I love that colour change. Let's put the back down with cat and get on to the next one. So guys, let's see who else is going to be on Bookthing today. What a really cool background. This reminds me and my mum of Charlie the Chocolate Factory. Now let's open it. Whoa! Hallelujah! So you got a little hairbrush and some stickers. Next one. Oh my gosh, guys, we've got some really cute little kitten shoes. Oh my gosh, I've got to show you that in the inside. Can you see it? Open the next one. We got a really cute little handbag. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. So guys, this is a really cute bag. Guess what? This one colour changes. Next one. Ooh, got some extensions. Oh my gosh, so super cute. I wonder who we got. You ready? Oh, we got another cat. Oh my gosh. She looks like me. Can I jump up? Skirt. I think she just looks like me. Okay, let's get the bag and colour change it. Woohoo! It turns yellow. Let's dip. Yellow. Whoa! So guys, look at my two cats. They're ready to rock and roll. I love their new fashion styles. And their colour changing accessories are awesome! They're such kind and caring people, caring for their animals. And I'm so much like them. But before we pull, we've got to open the Hairdorable Pets. Okay guys, I don't know which one to open. I'm so excited. So, I'm going to do this one. Let's pull. Oh my gosh, they're going to have a little background. So guys, before I open this, there are 8 surprises inside and there's 24 to collect. Oh no. Oh, that's so cute. They got their own mini background. Oh, that is adorable. That is adorable. Let's open our little size. Ooh, these ones come with blind bags. Oh my gosh, we've got a little cap and a little brush. How cute, and loads of stickers. Maybe to decorate it. Next one. Oh, so guys, we got a little doggy bowl. Next one. Ooh. Who are we gonna find? Ready and go! Okay, ready? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, guys, this is Piper! She looks so cute! My BFF is Cat, favourite thing, Frisbee, adoption day. Yep, I'll do that. Oops, sorry. Oh my gosh, guys, she is so cute! Which cat should I put it by? Oh, let's try and put a black cap on. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute! Her favourite thing is a Frisbee. Guys, let's go to the next one. I can't wait to see who I'm going to get now. Oh, we got the same background. Yay! Let's open them. We've got a blue little flap cap and a little hairbrush. Okay, let's open the next one. We've got a pink little doggy bowl. I can't wait! Okay, let's go! We got another cat puppy! They look so cute! Oh my gosh, she is so cute! Let's put her little headband on. Oh, adorable! Brush her hair. Yay! She looks so cute. This is so cute. I love them. But the last thing to do is pull here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Bob! Hairdorables! Woo! Adorable! Adorable! I'm a Hairdorables! I'm Cat the Hairdorables!
Hairdorable, big hair, don't care.
Big head and hair. Well, wasn't that fun? So guys, if you love Hairdorables as much as I do, I don't think you do, you'll get to that level. You can watch more of them over at Hairdorable.com. Follow their Instagram channel. Even look at their Pop Jam channel too. Wow, that's a trick I can pull off. Well, so guys, I've had so much fun opening these today. They're so amazing. They're out in stores. Go buy them. And anyway, guys, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and see you all soon. Bye.